Hello friends, this is Ganesh. Please watch my previous videos. Link has been provided in the description. In this video, we are going to see Hive static partition. We are going to use Spark SQL to prepare data for our static partition in Hive. First, we will see what is Spark SQL. Spark SQL is a Apache Spark module for working with structured data. It will let you to query structured data inside Spark programs using SQL or data frame APIs. It could be done in Java, Scala, Python and R also. Data frames and SQL provide a common way to access variety of data sources like Hive, Avro, Parquet, ORC, JSON and JDBC. You can even join data across these data sources also. Spark SQL supports HiveQL syntax as well as Hive SerDes and UDF functions. It will allow you to access existing Hive warehouses. To access Hive, you need to configure by placing hive-site.xml, core-site.xml and htfs-site.xml in the Spark config folder. After starting the PySpark shell, first we are setting the logging level as error. Next, we are using spark.sql to connect the default database in our Hive. Then, using the Spark SQL, we are showing the database, showing the tables available in the default database which we have connected. We have 3 tables available in our default database. Then we are finding the total count of rows in the table store sales using the Spark SQL. We are just passing the query within double quotes inside the SQL and we are using .show to show the result of the Spark SQL. In the next command, we are using the Spark SQL to generate a data frame for a specific state, California. Then we are generating a data frame using the Spark SQL for a specific state, Colorado. After generating 2 data frames, we are writing the results of data frames as CSV in our local storage for both California and Colorado data frames. If we see the location where we stored the CSV files, we could find pod files got generated. The pod file is having the extension CSV, which is under California location. You could find same for Colorado also. After preparing data for Colorado and California separately, we are creating a table called sales partition static, which is partitioned by state. After creating the table, we are listing the available tables and we could find sales partition static available. Then we are going to use load data local inpath command to load the static table which is partitioned by state with the data available in California. It is containing California CSV, which is going to be get loaded into the partition California. Will load both California and Colorado. Once we are done with the loading data, we could find in the HDFS location of sales partition table with folders state equal to California and Colorado. Thus in static partition we will be mentioning the value for the partition. That's all for the video. Please share the channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a good day.